Hey friends, Kat Ray here. I help you beautify your home and yard, and I have fun doing it. So today I'll be teaching you about the Ego Trimmer line replacement. So if you need to learn how to replace your line, stick around. This is my Ego Trimmer. I got it for Mother's Day and I've had it now for about 6 months. I'll put a link down below for the video of that purchase, because yes, it was my Mother's Day gift. But man, this thing has been wonderful. No complaints at all. Then this is the trimmer line that I'll be replacing it with. I got this on Amazon. It is the dual colored pre-cut trimmer line, and I love the dual colored. So I'll show you why. So 3 easy steps. You identify the hole, push the line through the hole till it's in the middle of the line. Then you push the button. I mean, 3 easy steps, so simple. So the first step to doing this is identify the hole. Right there around the bottom, you'll find a little hole. Then you take the trimmer line and you stick it in the hole. Just like this, you stick it in, gotta shove it a little bit, it'll come out the other side. Now this is where the benefit of the dual color comes in. So you put it in, pull it all the way through. Once you get to the point where you got the one color on the one side and the other color on the other side, you're all the way in. Now you have to identify the button here. Oh, so easy to identify. You just push the button, it will roll up by itself. Give it a push. Whoa, that was simple. Oh yeah, now it's in there. So if you do need to take it out for any reason, just pop the top off, and pull it out. So 3 easy steps. You identify the hole, push the line through the hole till it's in the middle of the line. Then you push the button. I mean, 3 easy steps, so simple. Now I can go trim my lawn. Yes, I do have a fairly big yawn. I have a fairly big yawn. No, I have a fairly big lawn, and it takes me quite a while to get it done, but this thing has been wonderful. So remember, work hard, play hard.